National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Wright County, Northern Hennepin County, Central Anoka County, Southeastern Sherburne County, Northern Ramsey County, until 8:30 p.m. At 5:35 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Brooklyn Park, Maple Grove, Coon Rapids, Blaine, Andover, Fridley, Shoreview, White Bear Lake, Ramsey, Champlin, Elk River, and Lino Lakes. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.